Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Nari. Today's recipe is Okara patties. This is number 68 of 100 tofu recipes. Why 100? Check out the video for number 21 if you're curious to know.
Alright, let's go. So this is 90 grams of Yamaimo. It's a kind of yam. Just be careful when you skin it, it's super slippery. And then we go grate this. This is a grater for daikon. We put in 3 tablespoons of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We give it a good mix. Put to the side. In a large bowl, add these ingredients and spices of your choice like paprika, cumin, parsley, mix them up. Add in 2 cups okara, 1 cup cooked rice, nutritional yeast, this can also be miso by the way, and the yam mix. And give that a good mix, first with a spoon, and after a while I just go right in with my hand, like so. Split into 8 equal parts, and then make each one of them into a flat patty. To make it easier later, I would put each of these separately on a parchment paper or a cooking paper so they don't stick to each other. Heat some oil in a frying pan on mid-heat. And then pop the patties in. I like to have 2 per person per meal, but that's totally up to you. Flip them over when brown. Nowadays you can find vegan cheese in the supermarkets, so I use this. And serve on a bun with toppings and veggies and sauces of your choice. I like to use this barbecue sauce. Gives it a nice punch.
That was number 68 of 100 tofu recipes. By the way, it's one of my favorites. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you!